Okay students, welcome to my channel. In my today's class, today I am taking laws of exponents for real numbers. Okay, you know already which are the laws of exponents. In your previous classes, you might have been learned those. See, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. This is first law of exponents. Then this is first law. The second law is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. This is second law of exponents. This is when m is greater than n. Then the third law of exponent is ab to the power m is equal to a to the power m into b to the power m. This is third law of exponent. Then the fourth law of exponent is a to the power m whole to the power n. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n, or a to the power mn also can be written. These all are the four laws of exponents. These all will be used in the real numbers. How we are applying these laws of exponents on the real numbers? Let us see now. 1, 2, 3 examples I saw. Then I will go for the exercise only. So, see here examples. Simplify. 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3. See here students, you observe bases are same. Okay, then powers must be added. In the multiplication, here dot means multiplication. 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3. This is in the form of a to the power m into a to the power n. Here bases are same, powers must be added. This is 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. This is nothing but here common denominator is 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are. Then 2 plus 1. This is 2 to the power 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3. 2 to the power 3 got cancelled 1. This is nothing but 2. This is what simplification. How we applied the laws. The same way we can apply the laws for the various problems. Then one more problem I will take, that is second one. 3 to the power 1 by 5 whole to the power 4. Here we can apply a to the power m whole to the power n. So this is nothing but 3 to the power 1 by 5 into 4. This is 3 to the power 4 by 5. 1 by 5 into 4. If you don't know, you can multiply and see here. See 4. Here 1. This is what? 4 by 5 in the working column. You can do these all things. So this is 3 to the power 4 by 5. So like this we can apply the laws of exponents for real numbers. Okay students, let me solve the exercise 1.6. The first problem is 64 to the power half or 1 by 2. First 64 we will write in terms of powers. How to write? 64 can be written as first a to the power 2 whole to the power 1 by 2 as it is. Okay. Then this is nothing but 8 to the power 2 by 2. Now 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 by 1. That is 2 to the power 3 into 2 by 2. 2 got cancelled. Here answer is 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is nothing but answer is 8. This is what? How to apply the laws of exponents for real numbers. Then the next one is 32. In the same way, you can do the second and third. In the second main, or if you want second one also, I will do 32 to the power 1 by 5. How to write 32? 2 to the power 5 is 32. 4 to the power 1 by 5. This can be written as 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5. 5 cancel. 2 to the power 1. That is answer is 2. Then second main, find. Second main, first one, 9 to the power 3 by 2. How can we write 9? 9 can be written as 3 square. Whole to the power 3 by 2 as it is. So 3 to the power 2 into 3 by 2. 2 cancelled. 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3 means 27. So in the same way, last one I will do in this. Fourth one, 125 whole to the power minus 1 by 5. Okay, 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Whole to the power minus 1 by 5. So this is 5 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 5. This is 5 to the power minus 3 by 5. Then, sorry, here not 5, this is 3. Here also 3. Here also 3. Here see 3. So, 3 got cancelled. 5 to the power minus 1. 5 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 5 is the answer. Then in the third main also I will do 1 or 2 problems. That is 3 simplify. Simplify. First one is 2 to the power 2 by 3. 2 to the power 1 by 5. See, bases are same. How to do? We have to add 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. LCM is 2 to the power, here common denominator 15, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 5, 3s are 2 5s are 10 plus 3. So, 10 plus 3 is 2 to the power 13 by 15. So, in this way, you have to do the examples of even the third main also. So, this is what the laws of exponents for real numbers. So, complete the exercise, students. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.